Here we have some male rose-breasted grosbeaks. They're eating me on house and home. There's several of them, more than the 3 that are here. About 6 or 7 of them at a time with females. They're pretty shy. I don't know if you've seen the price of sunflower seed lately, but it's high. These guys are freaking devouring it left and right. Technically, they nest in this area, but I've never seen them as a bird feeder in the middle of nesting season. So these birds are on their way further north, waiting for a warm front to get at their back and help push them through. They spend the winters in the tropics, Central America, Amazon basin. The older the males get, the more beautiful they get. So we've had this cold front that has stalled here for several days, and they've been here for several days. It's last couple days of April. I've never had them here more than a day or two, but these guys have been here for quite a while. I have one that doesn't seem real shy. I can come and go out of the back door without him flying away. But unfortunately, these 3 aren't like that. They are definitely one of the most beautiful birds in North America, without a doubt. Now, some people further north, northern Wisconsin, Minnesota, they may have them at the feeders all summer. But typically here they just stop by. And you see where they get their name from. Grosbeak means big beak. And rosebreast, well, they got a rosebreast. And the grackle shows up and everybody flies away. Okay, till next time.